Kalamazoo K44E vertical column, abrasive wet chop saw, comes to 75 horse. And this system's a special due to the sheer fact it has multiple clamps, 3 jawed, 1 chain. Comes multiple coolant hoses. Something this large, you need a lot of coolant on the material. Clamping system and light controls. Hydraulic control system. This feed rate valve. Again, comes with safety and door safety interlocks. Keeps the doors of the unit locked, so nobody can enter the unit until the blade rotation comes to a complete stop. Coolant tank. Dual access ports on both left and right side. Washdown hose, but it's not on yet. Access for clean out. Hydraulic system. Typically our systems are air over oil, but in this case it's hydraulic due to the sheer weight of the arm and motor. Quick disconnects for easy movement. So this unit's available wet and or dry. 36-inch on up. For more information, give us a call at 269-382-2050 and visit our website at www.kalamazooind.com.